What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this bug zapper. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this bug zapper, including one thing that I wish I knew before buying. So first off, let's start this off with a bang, and I'm going to shock myself. Just kidding. It's got a nice protective coating here, which is definitely a good thing just for safety. That said, this is actually the second time that we bought this exact same bug zapper. We actually have another unit that is still outside. The issue with us is not mosquitoes, it is flies. They are super annoying, and this, the other model that we have, well, the same one, the other one of these that we have, does an amazing job of capturing them. So we thought, you know what, let's just get another one. Now it does kill mosquitoes here and there, but we don't have a ton of those by us. It's mostly the flies, like I said. But this works really, really well. Basically, you plug it in, and what will happen is they'll fly in, and those little, you see the metal vertical things right there, right in front of the light? That is what will provide a shock. So basically they go in, they shock themselves, and they fall to the ground. Which you're probably wondering, well, how do we clean this thing out? Well, it's pretty simple. If we turn this over, right, you can see right here is a little tray. And within this tray, like I said, this is a new one, so it is not dirty yet. We're actually gonna put it out tonight because we're getting tired of these flies. This will be full of insects, different insects that have come in here and basically electrocuted themselves. It will essentially fall through right here in these little spaces and fall into the trap. They give you this nice little brush, really little brush, to help clean it off. But, you know, a nice little touch. Honestly, I don't usually use it. I just kind of shake the thing out and attach it back on really easily. Now, in terms of the range of this thing, they say that it goes up to 1,500 square feet. And I'll admit, I haven't actually measured that, but I will say our backyard is pretty big. And, you know, one was able to cover about half of it. I think it's safe to say it's about 1,500 square feet. I don't know exactly, but it gives a good area of coverage. And they have this bulb, which is, you know, it's in the middle of the day here in my office, so you can't see it well. But this thing is bright. It is very bright, and you'll hear, bzz, you know, often with these things as you would. So I like that. I also like that the other one that we had, we did have to replace the bulb ones after, I believe it was about 7 months of not continuous use, but every night we'd use it. So after about 7 months, the light bulb burned out, and they do provide a other light bulb, or a light bulb that you can buy as well, which I think is nice. Now the trap itself doesn't use any chemicals or any, you know, smelling, anything that smells. It has this nice little thing to hang, which we actually use that outside. We'll hang it on tree branches is usually what we'll end up doing. Yeah, overall, it works really, really well. Now, there are some things I think you should know. So first off, this cord right here, it is 4 feet long. For some of you, that might be long enough. For us, it is not. So we had to actually get an extension cord with these to be able to use them properly. The second thing, which I find kind of annoying, to be honest, I wish that they would have included this. There's no on-off button. There's just no on-off button at all. Basically, you plug this thing in, and it works, right? So what we did is we plugged this into an extension cord, and then we have a timer that will actually turn you know, the electrical cord, the power to flow through it. So we have a timer that just goes off every night. It goes off and then just bzz, 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 all night. It basically takes care of them. So yeah, that's how we've been using it, but those are some things I definitely think that you should know overall. But if you're wondering, does this thing work? Absolutely. We recommend it fully. Like I said, this is our second unit now. Really excited to put this one out there because we still have some flies. Like I said, we have a big, big backyard, and this will just give us a little bit less of those flies around, and we're excited about that. So if you're considering it, we definitely recommend it.